Howdy everyone, it's Hurley and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you are a gamer and want to learn more about improving your gaming experience and a whole lot of other things, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button so you don't miss anything. I have been getting comments and DMs about the issue with the configure option on the Elite 2 controller app and how to set up the shift key, so this tutorial shouldn't take that long. You will need to download the Xbox app to get started. I have this link in the description below and you can follow along. If I get too fast, just pause the video and don't miss any steps. The Xbox Accessories app is only available on Xbox One and Windows 10. To configure the Xbox Elite Wireless Controller Series 2, get the Windows 10 May 2019 update or later, and make sure your PC has the latest fixes. The Xbox Accessory app won't detect your controller if you're using Bluetooth. To connect your controller, plug the included USB-C cable into the back of the Elite 2 and plug the other end into your PC. If the app doesn't detect your controller, try moving the joysticks and pressing buttons. The other alternative will be in your Bluetooth and devices. Use your Windows search down here in the lower left corner and type in DEVI and click on Bluetooth and other devices. If you don't see your Elite 2 controller that is listed right here on your mouse, keyboard, and pen, which mine is listed right here, it says Xbox Elite Wireless Controller. It does not say 2, but this is the Elite 2 right here, guys. But if it doesn't show it listed right here in this section, then you want to add Bluetooth or other device. Click on everything else, Xbox controllers with wireless adapter, DLNA, and more. At this point, your PC will discover your controller. Let's move on to the shift key, but keep in mind, assign buttons to act as shortcuts for systems actions like record that and take a screenshot have not been accessible through Windows 10 yet. They will be having an update on it, but it has not been finalized yet. Shift on a controller works a lot like it does on a standard keyboard. When you press and hold the assigned shift button, the buttons you choose become alternate inputs, helpful for changing configurations on the fly. For example, let's assume you've assigned your shift button to a paddle. By pressing and holding the paddle, the X button might act as Y, or D-pad down might act as left bumper. How you assign shift and alternate inputs is up to you. I'm going to show you how it is done. To assign a shift button, you have to open the Xbox Accessories app. On Xbox One, press the Xbox button to open the guide, and then select My Games and Apps, see All Apps, and then choose Xbox Accessories. On Windows 10, you want to press the Start button or come down here to your search bar and type in Xbox Accessories and then sign in. You have to name your controller to go to the next step. Once you name your controller, select Configure. Choose a profile or create a new one. In the Mapping tab, assign a shift button by choosing a button. We will choose the right lower paddle, selecting the Use as Shift button checkbox. Then hit OK, or you can press B on your controller to save that setting. The up arrow will appear over the button, indicating that it's the assigned shift button. Now let's go to the right stick click and select the lower option and choose down on D-pad and hit OK. Now your right stick click shift button will be down on D-pad as your alternate shift. When you're in game, press and hold the assigned shift button, which is our left lower or our right lower paddle, to activate the alternate input for your right stick click. Just to give a rough example before we close, if you're playing a game of Fortnite and your right stick click is usually crouch and your down on your D-pad is pinging an opponent or marking an item, instead of bringing your left thumb off of your joystick to mark that item or ping danger or whatever, you will hold your right shift button and then press down your right stick click, and that will act as your down on your D-pad. So essentially your right joystick, when you click it, it's crouch. If you use shift and then click it, it's ping. If this video is helpful, remember to share it with your gaming friends. And if you are a part of any community online on Facebook, Reddit, YouTube Talk, or whatever it happens to be, share this video there. It would be awesome of you and I would really appreciate it. My socials are in the description below. Add me there if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Click the little round circle somewhere on this screen. If you are interested in any other pro controllers, click on the videos over here and keep on watching. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.